Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel Physics Surgery, and we are officially going to launch our Discord server, Physics Surgery official Discord server, as I have already subtly dropped a hint in the community post 2 days back that we have already launched. We opened the server to some of our Telegram group students for the last 2 days to actually look at the pros and cons of how the server would be utilized, and we made some efficient changes in these 2 days, and so that it is launched to the general audience now. Okay, so in this particular video there are certain features that we are going to discuss of the Physics Surgery Discord server that would definitely help the JEE aspirants, the serious students, to ensure that their preparation gets that fine edge over the others. Okay, so also during the video we'll be having some website news, the Physics Surgery website, which contains certain problem sets. So there is a news about that at the end. And also this is not just the launch video, it will also have the tutorial for the beginners who don't know anything about Discord, which includes me. Actually, 1 month back I was the beginner, so whatever I have learned, I will try to ensure that the basic level stuff that is needed to actually use the Discord will be given during this video. And also at the end I'll end up the video with some practice problems that have been already launched in the Discord and are having they are having some healthy discussion there. So once you go there, you will have a issue. And if you don't want to use Discord, even after all of the explanation that I'm going to give, it's fine. You can still solve the problems that I'm going to present at the end of the video, somewhere around 20 of them, and then you can comment below in the comment section so that I can respond as usual that we do in our YouTube videos. Okay, so here we go. As I said, these are the major highlights of the video. So how to quickly register for the Discord using mobile and PC. So this first point is for those who are completely new to the idea of Discord. So you can skip this first point of the video if you have already got a Discord account, and you can directly go to the second, third, and fourth points. Okay, so you can check in the timeline of this particular video. There are some chapters. You can directly go to the required chapter so that you can save some time as I move along. Okay, so the second one is the quick tour of our Discord server, the Physics Surgery official Discord server, and how to use it, what are the channels inside it, how is it prepared, and how students are actually using it as of now. Okay, and new problem sets of the website physicssurgery.in have been released. So there is good news on that front also. So the some topics last time I have released and got good response, so I've released more of them, right? And some problems from the Discord server which were shared in the past will be discussed here, and I'll have you look at them. Okay, so these are the things that you can go ahead with. Okay, so before we start, a huge shout out to all those students who have helped me understand Discord 1 month back before this video is being uploaded. I was a complete beginner, right? And I was of the opinion Discord is very complicated and tough, and I have changed my opinion because of lot of people, mainly two people that I have to acknowledge. One is Advait R. He's a student from IIT BCSE. He was one of my subscribers last year too, during his JEE preparation. And also Dev B, who is the JEE aspirant and will be writing the JEE exam next year. So and all the admins who are managing the server now, I may not be able to name all of them because of the length of the video, but I definitely know those students who have been giving me the unconditional love and support. They will understand that when I say thank you, I mean it. Okay, so let's move forward. um, with the beginners, right? So you need to go to the Play Store. So you can either use mobile or the PC for installing the Discord app. You don't want to install the app, you can actually directly go to the discord.com through your browser and continue using it, but app will have better features. Okay, so you'll start going to the Play Store, type Discord, this is the spelling, and press install, and then we'll get this particular window wherein you are supposed to register in case you don't have an account. If you have an account, you can log in. So I'm assuming that you are watching this video at this point that you don't have an account, so you register for it. So let's move on very quickly. And then if you are on the mobile or let's say on the PC, it will ask for authentication, as is the case with any of the accounts that you create, similar to the Google or Gmail account. And you can authenticate using either a mobile or an email. So I have used my wife's account here, right? So I logged in and tried to do the same thing the way that any newcomer would do, and I got it through the mobile. So an SMS would be sent, and you are supposed to enter the code here. And next window would be the one where you are supposed to register your username, login, and password that you can choose. And then you move on to the next page where they'll ask you the date of birth. So quickly fill in that and create the account you have to press. And here is something very important. You'll get a window here in which you're not supposed to press this one. You're not supposed to create your own server until unless you are launching a competitor for physics surgery. Okay, so right now you're supposed to go here and join a friend on Discord. I am your friend. I'll be giving you an invite. Invite is in the description. So that invite, once you are there, you have to press this button and not on the top. Okay, right? So once you move on, you get to this particular window. Whatever invite I am going to give you, you're supposed to paste it here. Don't press this down one. Okay, so you just post it. This button will change, and you're supposed to come to this window wherein you can see once my invite is ready. And in case you're watching this video late into the future, maybe the invite could get expired, so you're supposed to get it somewhere else, right? I'll also tell you where you can get it from the website. Okay, so whatever it is, if the invite works, you'll end up getting this screen, and you're supposed to accept the invite. Okay, and then we move on. Once you accept, you'll get into the server like this is the first window that you'll see. These are the channels. They'll say, I'll explain what are channels, what are topics inside this Discord server. Once you, with all the excitement, you go and press this bottom button, view my channels, right? You end up getting this screen which looks very empty actually. So first, anything that is looking like this in the Discord server is called a topic, and anything with a hashtag is a channel. Okay, right? And it's empty right now. You can see that is because you have not been verified. Once you go inside, you're supposed to be verified, unlike your WhatsApp or Telegram where you go inside, you get the information completely, right? So this is the person that you are supposed to meet first. Okay, so you're supposed to go here. It's not a person, actually it's a bot. It's called Me6 bot. You're supposed to go into that. So please make sure that you don't worry once you get into the server and initially don't see any channels. It's empty here, so it will not be visible for the first 5 minutes. There are certain steps that you have to follow in order to get these channels here. Okay, so let's move forward to see. Once you press this Me6 bot button with one message that you got, you'll end up getting this message in the next. Okay, so this is the Me6 bot message that you end up getting here, and it says, right, welcome to Physics Surgery official. Ignore this text if you already know how to operate Discord, but we are assuming that you are new like me. And you're supposed to go to rules section. That hashtag, there is one channel on rules, right, in the previous page. So that rules section you are supposed to go and then read the rules, and at the bottom there will be two messages. You're supposed to acknowledge the rules. Acknowledge means you have to react with a smiley, thumbs up, thumbs down, angry, whatever you want to do, but you have to put some react to it. Let's see how can we do that. Okay, so you go to the rules section. You can see even now the channels are empty here. Okay, so let's move on. Once you go to the rules section, this will open up. There are a lot of rules above this. We are supposed to read them. You're not supposed to react to the rules. It's not here. Below that there is a Me6 message. Okay, so the rules are above. You can't react here, so that's why the cross mark. The second message, that is the message below the rules, there is a Me6 again, you can see, and you have to read the above message and react to this message. You could see already there are some 200 odd people who have been into the server at the time of recording of this video, and you could see all of them have reacted with something or the other, right? So this is the place where you react. So once I got this screen, you could see there is a 94 here. I'm becoming the 95th person to react. So once I react and press that, this becomes 95. The server opens to me after 5 minutes. Even after pressing this, you have to wait for 5 minutes before you can get the access to the channels. Okay, so let's suppose you are patient and you wait for those 5 minutes and you go back to that empty page. Let's see how it looks. So you could see now you end up having all these channels. You could see the topic of mechanics here, and you're supposed to scroll down to see more of those. So within the topic of mechanics, you can see our server has channels of separate topics wherein discussions can happen. Unlike a Telegram group where all the discussions happen in one place and students find it difficult to go back to check how many problems of friction have been discussed, how many problems of EMI have been discussed. That is the advantage of having a Discord server. It streamlines your discussion, especially for the serious students. If they are wanting to revise all the important doubts, that great problems that good students have discussed, and they go back to the server, you'll have all of them lined up at one place. Okay, so right, channels of all topics and subtopics will open in 5 minutes. You have to wait, then scroll them down to see all of them. Okay, so here I have cropped the image. You're supposed to scroll down to see more of these. Okay, so let's move forward and see how they look. Okay, so if you choose one of the channels, let's suppose I choose magnetism. Okay, there will be magnetism somewhere in between. So you choose magnetism. So this is the left side window. I scroll down even more, you could see more topics are there, and once I choose magnetism, the magnetism channel opens. So before the launch of this video, I myself puts one doubt or one question, one challenge for the students, so that I can make this video to tell you how it looks like being inside. Okay, so you can use dark theme also if white screen doesn't suit you. So I used a white screen here. Okay, so I have placed a Ampere's law problem, and you could see you're supposed to put some spoiler alerts. If you are asking a doubt and you want to reveal your answer, you want to reveal your solution, you should not spoil it for the newcomers who are coming and checking the problem. This would be there in Telegram or WhatsApp, right? So you'll all have the answers being put up, and even before you want to try, someone else puts the answer. Whereas here you'll have a spoiler alert. I'll tell you in the next page how to put this spoiler alert whenever we are going. That's one of the rules. You're supposed to put the spoiler alert, and rules are very strict on our server, and you will get banned if you don't follow them. Okay, I'll also read out the rules at the end when we go to the real time. I'll take you to the website of that. Okay, so now this was the problem that I pinned, and I let the students have a discussion. And same thing you can do. It's not about me giving the problems in future. Once you take the use of server, if you have any doubt in work or energy, you're supposed to place it here. Students will come, they will answer, they'll have discussion. I'll step in if required. Okay, so this is the problem. Someone has put an answer here, right? So let's first understand how to put the spoilers. Okay, so uh, and then after some time I have replied saying that answer to the problem is you can't see that until unless you go and press you want to see, then that will get revealed. Okay, so you could see all the important key points I have hidden them one day later. And I still only gave the hints. I didn't give the complete solution. Then people asked for solutions down, and then after you could see 9 a.m. and then 6 p.m. in the evening, I gave a snapshot of the solution here. So you can check that question out. It was a nice question. A lot of students got it wrong. So like that, the discussion. So even 3 or 4 months later, when you come back, this question will be there in magnetism channel. That's the advantage. Okay, so and this is how you put the spoiler alerts in the responses. Okay, so there are two types of major responses for JEE aspirants in any of the server or channels like this, right? So you either type text messages to ask your doubts or answer the others doubts, right? Or you upload the handwritten solutions. You take a picture from your mobile and you upload. That's what we do in Telegram also. Same thing happens here. But what you should do is when you're putting a text message, you should put two vertical lines and separate them and put the message inside. So you see two vertical lines here and two vertical lines. So and put the message inside, and when you type it, it will show up like this. So for a person going there, until unless he presses on this one, the wordings will not be revealed. Same thing when you're uploading a picture and you're supposed to write something for the picture. So you upload the picture, you have to always tell what is your doubt. You can't just ask for the solution. It's always correct to give your line of thought, what your struggle is, and what you want from the fellow students in the server, so that they can help you out. and before you can give your solution, you'll try, some other people want to solve the problem fresh and they don't want to see your try. You put it as mark the spoiler, so that a picture of your solution is not visible until unless someone wants it to be pressed. So once you mark the spoiler and then upload, the thing will blacken out and people will only want to see, then only it will become revealed. Okay, so these are the ways you use the spoiler alerts. Okay, so there is another salient feature of our Discord server is that there are doubts from books that have created some channels, so that all the famous JE physics books that people use, they are having doubts. We'll be trying to take up those doubts in this, right? Discussions will happen among students. I'll step in if required. So right now I'll take suggestions also to add more and more books relevant to JE physics. So HC Verma short answers which don't have solutions, they can be discussed. Croto, even though solutions are there, they're tough. Alternative solutions can be discussed. And I have made, this is very important, our beloved Pathfinder a book is there for which solutions are not easily available. Instead of having only one book, I have made a separate category for Pathfinder, and I made separate chapters as channels. So it's not just Pathfinder doubts, it's Pathfinder work power energy, Pathfinder impulse and momentum. So you can go in specifically, so that after maybe 6 months, 7 months, all the important doubts of different chapters of Pathfinder, you can find them at one place, unlike a Telegram group. Okay, so that's the dream. And I am pretty sure the kind of student community we have already, they're so serious and so talented that with or without my help, definitely those doubts would be completely flooded and answered and resolved in these particular channels, which would be a gold mine for the upcoming aspirants. Okay, so whenever someone comes into this server 6 months later, they will be enriched with these discussions that we'll healthily have. Okay, so that's the whole goal here. And imagine I went into Pathfinder electrostatics, let's say. At the time of recording of the video, this server is new, so you'll have one or two problems right now. Imagine I pressed the Pathfinder electrostatics. Let's see what happened. Yesterday, that is 2 days back, before this launch video, there was one person who kept the doubt from this Pathfinder electrostatics triangle question, 19th one. Okay, so let's see what happened next. Okay, so I'll take you to the tour of the the server on the PC now. Till now I've been telling you on the mobile. So I'm recording this video from the laptops, right? So um, and I don't have the app, right? So I'll do it from the browser, so that you'll understand how easy it is to view through these things. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, I hope you can see. All right, so this is how it looks on the PC. And these are the rules part that I told you I'll go through, and then we'll go to the electrostatics channel Pathfinder part, how the reactions happen and how things can be getting resolved very simply. Okay, so please go through this on your own. There are simple English wordings, and most of the Telegram group people know that we are very strict with the discipline on the server. So anyone who is doing some kind of nonsense which is explained here will be completely kicked and banned out of the server. So please be careful and be respectful, be kind. It's a place to learn and mutually learn, and let's keep it that way. Okay, so rest of the things you can understand on your own. I don't want to waste the time of the video. Just go through things, and if you have any suggestions, there is suggestions channel at the left side. You could see, you can give. We are very open to suggestions. We'll have suggestion discussions, decisions will be really revealed. All the idea is it is to make this server much more student friendly as the time progresses, so that students take over this and utilize it in the upcoming years. Okay, so all the suggestions are welcome, and already in the last 2 days we have got good suggestions we are working on, and server has already become better for that. Okay, so right, so these are the rules I was talking about. This is the reaction message that you need to go through. Okay, so let's move on to that electrostatics Pathfinder thing. Okay, so let's see what happened there. Okay, so on the left side you could see I'm scrolling down to Pathfinder doubts from books. Okay, right, and on Pathfinder I'll move to electrostatics. Okay, so let it open. So this is PF electrostatics, so Pathfinder electrostatics. So this is the real time when the recording of the video is being done. So we'll move to the first doubt that I was talking about. Okay, so you could see the discussions must be relevant to JEE Advanced as we suggest. So this was a person who put up this question. So let's hope this question opens like this, right? So he had a doubt. So you could see initially he put it up. So the one of the admins or whenever I'm free, will ask them, will not give the solution. This is not a solution center, doubts clarification center. So we have to ask, or anyone who is good student or good user of this server will ask, what is your line of thought, what have you tried? And the person who is answering, he's telling, but he also wants to keep this problem fresh for the new people, whoever comes in. He doesn't want to know what he has tried. Let's say I want to try this problem on my own, completely anew. Okay, so that is why the spoiler has been put. So he says, I have figured out that, then you can press, then this gets revealed, as you could see. Okay, so he tells you something, and I want you to go through and check it out on your own once this video ends. Okay, so, and he got an answer, he's telling that the answer is not matching. So the admin again is trying to help him out by giving a hint and not the complete solution. That is the correct way to approach physics. Okay, so it's not about spoon feeding. And again he says my answers are not matching, so then I have stepped in. Okay, I've stepped in, and then I was trying to give him a hint, actually, again with spoilers, as you could see. And I'm saying something about my opinion on the second part of the question. There are two parts actually, so I'll not reveal this. I would like you to go through on your own. Okay, so, and then I'm talking about the controversial part again, right? And and you try to make out what happened next. Okay, so you just that is how the discussion should happen in any of these channels. So next time when you have a doubt, let's say in heat transfer in general, right? So then you can go to the heat transfer here on the left side, waves and thermo, right? And you directly post your doubt in heat transfer. Okay, so that's how all these channels are made out. Okay, right, so let's move back to our discussions there. Now, major doubt among the students, their discomfort, I should say, about Discord is whether it is better than Telegram or not. A lot of students complain that it is complicated. It is complicated for people who are making it. I had to go through 1 month of tutorials from my students to understand what Discord is. For people who are using it, it is very, very simple. Okay, so why is it better? So let me give you a simple comparison. I'll try to open the physics surgery telegram group in front of you, and also the Discord server, to emphasize the point that I was trying to tell about the channels of Discord. Okay, so you could see that once I open it and I try my best, let's say, to open the telegram group. So this is your telegram group. Okay, let it open. I'm opening it on PC. Okay, so yeah, so right now this is the real time as the video is getting recorded. There are some doubts that are being asked. Okay, so there's only one part that is going on, right? So someone is asking, is this Pathfinder question correct? I try to reply no. Okay, and then you keep going up. There are very good discussions happening, but the problem is all of them happen at one place. So 3 months later, you want all the gravitation questions at one place, then there is a big problem there, right? So this is like a fast food center. The telegram group is like a fast food center. You will get your doubt clarified, it's easy to use, but only for that point. But the real aspirants who are preparing and they want to revise some good problems as the time progresses, they will have some trouble. Okay, so any of these, you could see that as you keep moving up, right, there's some problems that were asked, and yesterday there were some nice discussions that were going on, students helping each other, everything is fine, and we'll still use the telegram group, but you should start learning what is better. Okay, so that's the main reason why a lot of effort has been put up to actually get to learn the Discord thing and present it to you. Okay, so yeah, you could see someone asked yesterday about why flux is constant inside a superconducting loop. Okay, and someone posted one of my lecture parts. So this is something like this. So this will be lost after 2 or 3 months. But whereas in the Discord server, if the same doubt was asked, it will be first of all asked in EMI chapter. And in the EMI channel, this thing will be present. Okay, so that's the main thing that will happen as a difference between Telegram and Discord. So it's a opinion that I have, that Discord is definitely a useful thing to learn, and it's for the future, and it's here to stay. Telegram will still run. The Telegram group students need not worry, but Discord is something that we'll be looking at more seriously. Okay, so and another important thing that students have been asking me, initially when I launched my website, I've launched 2 assignments on rotational mechanics, part 1 and part 2. It has got very good response. Solutions at times I'll put up on the YouTube channel, right, depending on the discussions. Now you'll connect more with me on the Discord server. You can start posting the doubts from these assignments also in the Discord server, so that people can help each other. I'll step in to provide you the solution. Providing solutions in form of video on YouTube for every problem is difficult. Okay, so you should understand that. So as taking this one more level, at this particular date I have updated the problem sets, more of them. So the third part of rotational mechanics has been uploaded. Please do check it out. It's the very important part. Okay, so I'll not reveal it to you what part it is, so please go through ray optics part 1, which is on purely reflection chapter of it. So that is there. Part 2 has not been uploaded, so this is to ensure that people come and check out my Discord server. So when you press on this ray optics part 2, which is on the plane surface refraction, you'll actually get the link of the Discord server. So you press on this, you'll be taken to the Discord server. So this is the link. Apart from the fact that I'll post the Discord server joining link in the description below of this video, you can also access it from this part. Okay, so let me show you where I shared. Obviously you will now understand there will be a ray optics channel in which this file will be available. So this is how I shared it. So you go to the Discord server, to the geometrical optics channel, and in that you could see I'm sharing, instead of sharing the entire file to keep the people coming for the first few days, I'll be sharing parts of this file. Okay, so actually this reflection and plane surfaces, including prisms and everything, has 100 plus selected problems, and some of which are originals, 20, 20, 30% are originals, and rest of them are nice compilation from different sources like AITS, Irido, and modified questions of different exams that my students have written in the last 10 years. Okay, so those things, the first 10 problems part has been already uploaded, you could see, and within every gap of 2 days I'll upload these 100 plus problems in this channel instead of the website, so that people will start using the Discord for that purpose. You don't want to use it, you just go in, download this and come out. It's up to you, right? Your decision, it's up to you. Okay, so let's move on. And before I give you the problems that are actually being discussed in Discord, to give you a quality of the discussion that is happening, so one very important thing, in case you are new and you don't know anything about this channel or the website, please make sure that you watch the website description video, launch video, in which I have told you how to use the website for your purpose, especially the YouTube videos. All the playlists such chapter wise have been arranged for serious aspirants for their preparation purpose. Okay, so problem sets and all those things were explained in that video. So the link is in the I button above or in the description below, so please do watch it. And other social media presence, if you are general physics lover and you want to follow me, you can follow in these three handles. And if you're serious aspirant, forget it, these are distractions, you're not supposed to get into all this. Okay, so and here are the initial practice problems when I launch the Discord server to keep it flowing. Okay, so to keep it having some discussion, so that I can talk about it, and when you people go in, you will have something to see. I've shared some 20, 30 problems in different channels. Channels means what? As I told you, different chapters are the channels. So in the rotational mechanics channel, the first shared problem is this, and I've told what is about this particular problem there. So try to go and have a look. In case you don't want to go to the Discord server, you still anti Discord, then make sure that you comment the answer below in the comment section in this YouTube section. I'll respond whether the answer is correct or not, but I urge you to go there. Okay, next, this is a problem from waves. So you can search for the waves and sound channel, and you can go there and check this problem out. Okay, so and this is another problem on the sound topic. Okay, so um, again, when you're commenting the answer below, please make sure you put the timestamp so that I can respond properly. Okay, so it's in the sound waves chapter of the, or the channel of the Discord server. Okay, so then during the fluid mechanics channel, I have shared this problem of the siphon, but the siphon with two liquids. Okay, so this is a very interesting problem, and you proceed to the Discord server to access this problem and its discussion and solutions. And in case you want to drop in a comment, please use the timestamp below. Okay, here's another problem on fluid statics. This time again in the same channel of fluid mechanics I have shared in the Discord. So do the same thing, either comment below with the timestamp or go to the Discord server to access the solution of this. And here's a problem in modern physics, nuclear physics channel I have shared. Okay, same thing, that you know what to do, comment here or go there. Okay, so we move along. There's something on Bohr's model channel. Okay, so this is very interesting question. Very, I think polarizing opinions were there when I last time saw in the server. People were getting different answer, all combinations of answers people were reporting. So please go ahead, go ahead and check what happened there, or you can comment the answer below. So we'll respond here also. Okay, so this is the one on heat transfer, very conceptual one. So do the same thing, either go there and or comment below. Okay, so we'll see. And even in this one, I could remember there were 2 or 3 different answers that people were posting by the time I was recording this video. Okay, so um, and this is on SHM, but very unique question on SHM, an inclined plane which is oscillating back and forth with friction that is available and all that. So very interesting, previous Olympiad problem actually, this one. So it's a subjective question, try it out, either comment below or go to the Discord server so to see the discussion and the solutions there. Okay, so I hope I'll see you there. And this is the last one. Actually many more are there because the video is getting bit long, so I can't share all the things here. So this is the one from units, errors, and dimensions chapter. Okay, so in case you are watching it immediately after the production of this video, please do go there. There are 20-30 problems. In case you are watching this video in the near future, where this Discord server has already become very famous, you're wasting your time here. Already some major discussions are there, so please move there. And in case you are watching this video far into the future when Earth is destroyed and you are an alien, okay, right? So let me tell you, Earth has rocked its way. We had some of the best things when we were alive, and we one of the best things does this particular channel and the people who have accessed it. Okay, so that is something that I can tell you if you are an alien. Okay, so and jokes apart, if you are alien or human, I would request you to actually like this particular video and share the content of my channel and subscribe to it. And because that is how YouTube algorithm works. You like the video and more likes ensure that this particular video goes in the realms of time and space and gets spread to more and more people. So that is the major agenda. Try to build a physics community where people help each other and grow in subject. Okay, so and that would be very satisfying for me to see. So with that happiness, I take a leave of you as of now, and I hope I'll see you in all the places that I have launched, whether it is YouTube, Telegram, website, or the Discord server, or many more things that I plan to do come up with. Okay, so thanks for staying this long, and see you in the next video.